Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Kona N versus Veloster N. Let's dive into their key distinctions. While both are high-performance N models, the Kona N presents as a versatile compact SUV, offering a higher ride height. The Veloster N, conversely, is a sleek three-door hatchback, known for its lower, sportier stance. Despite these body differences, they share a powerful performance DNA, promising an exhilarating drive. Under the hood, both the Kona N and Veloster N boast a potent 2-liter turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 286 horsepower. This power is efficiently managed by an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, standard in both models, ensuring rapid gear changes. Furthermore, an electronic limited-slip differential is included, significantly enhancing traction and cornering ability, making every drive thrilling. When it comes to practicality, the Kona N, as an SUV, naturally provides more cargo volume and a commanding higher driving position, which many drivers appreciate. The Veloster N, with its hatchback design, offers a lower center of gravity, contributing to a more connected and agile driving sensation. Their distinct body styles cater to different preferences in terms of utility and visual appeal. Ultimately, the driving experience is where personal preference truly shines. The Veloster N, with its lower profile, often feels more nimble and direct, perfect for spirited driving. The Kona N, however, offers a more comfortable ride height and easier access, making it a great daily driver with a performance edge. Both deliver exhilarating and performance, so your choice depends on your priorities. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.